Hi guys, happy Vlogmas day 10, I believe. I'm not naked. I have an EA on. It's just wrapped. There we go. I guess they're called sarongs, or I don't know. I don't know what other people call them, but we call them EAs. I have an EA on. I'm not naked. I was like, okay, go put clothes on for the vlog, but I'm like, y'all, I don't know. This is Vlogmas. This is the real it's gonna get. Sorry for the family that's watching, by the way. Anyway, happy Vlogmas day 10. I didn't vlog it all over the weekend. I had clients, and then we were just hanging out with our friends, Matt and Becca. And I just really didn't want to bring my camera around. Anyway, so today is Monday. Another reason I haven't been vlogging is because I really don't feel good. Like, I do not feel good. Not only do I feel sick, but I'm just so tired, you guys. Like, I'm literally so tired. I've been tired this past weekend. I took a nap the other day at 3, woke up at 5. Yesterday I took a nap at 6 and woke up at 8. Like, it's such a mess. We had such a late dinner last night and I was like, really annoyed, but it's totally fine. It's noon right now, so we do have a later start to the vlog. Me and the girls have been up. We've just been hanging out and I was like, oh, why don't you turn the camera on? So even though I'm super tired today, there's a lot that I want to get done around the house. I just figured out this new setting on my camera and I'm kind of annoyed that I didn't. Why are my lights blinking like that? That's weird. Sorry if you're kind of like distracted by that. Anyway, I'm currently making my kiddos some lunch. I'm probably gonna make me some soon as well. I think right now I just need water. I don't know. But yes, I'm currently about to make a to-do list of all I need to do. It's really cold out. It's like cold, but it's also really windy. So I was like, I can't take my kids out because their noses are already running. So there's a mall right outside of base. Well, it is right outside of the gate. Anyway, they have an indoor little playground, so I was thinking we could take them there. First thing I have to do is laundry. Right now the goal is just to fold whatever I can and then, you know, do a load. Putting them away, actually no, we're gonna put them away. Probably not now, but we'll put them away later. I do need to clean me and Cyrus's room. I just washed our bed sheets, so those are all clean. I do have to vacuum. I have to do the dishes. Not really do the dishes, but there's just pots and pans in there that I'd have to wash and stuff. I think that's it for right now. I also really wanted to unbox the KMYNX box that they had sent over to me. I love them. I love the team. They're so nice. They're so sweet. The thing about me when I'm cleaning is I'm just like go, 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 go. I'm just like do, you know what I mean? But since being pregnant, I'm like, I literally move like a turtle, you guys. So hopefully I don't run out of breath too quickly. Hopefully I don't get too tired too quickly, but I do want to get all of this done. Oh, I also need to clean my beauty room. I don't know if this happens to anybody else, but to all the polys that watch this, when you guys get pregnant, does this happen to anybody else? Like, does their neck get super duper black? Like, when I look at it, I'm like, oh my gosh, this shit makes me look dirty as hell. But I swear, like, it's just when I'm pregnant when my neck gets so fucking dark like this. Like with Lolo and Milana, it was way worse than what it was with Lolo, but with this baby, it's like, it's not as bad as what it was with Milana, you guys. Oh my gosh, my neck was so black, but now it's like, oh my gosh, it's so irritating. Okay guys, hold on, there we go. Is that somewhat better? There we go, we'll do that one. I honestly have no idea what time it is. Kiddos are fed, they're in the front watching TV. I put clothes on. I don't have a bra on, but I mean, I'm covered up, so whatever. Anyways, I'm in me and Cyrus's room right now. I'm out of breath, but I brought a trash bag with me. I'm gonna clean the bed. I'm gonna clean everything, clean all the trash that's in here. I'm so annoyed. And you guys are gonna chill with me, guys. I'm gonna turn on a movie. I don't know, I kind of want to watch Hulu. The night before last night, we watched the Da Vinci Code, and then last night we watched Angels and Demons, and I really loved it. They both were so good. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but they're really good. Check it out. But hopefully there's something else along those lines on Hulu. But yeah, let me show you our room really quick. Hold on, let me turn you guys down. There we go. So this is what our room currently looks like. It's a freaking mess. It's really embarrassing. So, quick little thing. These are side tables from IKEA that we actually got from someone here on base. But I was gonna paint them black to go with our headboard, but I'm getting us a new headboard, and the headboard is gray. So I thought the gray would go good with the white, which is why they're not like painted yet. I have a lamp. His lamp is in our storage, whatever. Anyway, so up here, I'm actually thinking of getting the quotes that say, "Be still my soul," or get pictures of us, of me and Cyrus, and have them put on a canvas, like 3 separate canvases, and hang those up there. Not entirely sure yet. This is our bathroom. Yeah, it's just whatever. We don't even have bathroom mats. Like, look at that. This sweater is huge. It's actually my father-in-law's. We took it from Utah. We're gonna clean our room. Okay guys, so this is what my beauty room currently looks like. You guys always see this behind me. Obviously I have my lights and stuff. This is what I use to film on. In this closet I keep my shoes. Not all of my shoes are all in here. This is the chair I use for my clients. The True Matte foundations I got in PR. This is what the inside of my desk currently looks like. These are all my palettes. I took them, they were over there, but I took them off. I didn't like the way it looked. My plan is to actually have, oop, focus. My plan is to have all of this off and into desks or drawers, because back here I just want to be able to work on my laptop. And then I was gonna put a mirror right here. This is what you guys see behind me in my videos, obviously this big ass blank wall. But instead of a mirror, I think I'm just gonna put paintings or like artwork, you know? I don't use this when I get ready. I use this table to get ready with that mirror. So that's why I don't wanna put a mirror right here, because I don't really use the space. Sorry guys, it's not focused. Anyway, so that's my goal. I'm gonna put, oh, hold on, let me turn you guys down a little bit. Here we go. I'm gonna put a plant right here, and then I think over here I'm gonna put, what is it? Like the Alex drawers, so I can store more makeup. It'll go right there. This mirror actually used to go with our buffet bar. Obviously, well, it's not a buffet bar, it's a dresser, but I turned it into a buffet bar. That was the mirror that was attached to it. Obviously it's in here. I do have a couch in here. I'm gonna switch out those pillows. All those boxes need to go. These are my lights. And then in here are my foundations and primers and color correctors. This is the desk I use. This is another IKEA desk. I actually bought it for 20 bucks from somebody here on base. And then in here, these are all of like my everyday uses. This is the cord that I use to connect my camera to my laptop that I'm actually gonna be using to connect to a TV. And yeah, these are just, like I said, my everyday palettes and some lashes. But I do have to clean all of this off. Actually, I don't have to. I probably won't today, but I do want to clean my brush. I just have to clean my brushes before Friday. But I did want to open this guy with you guys. So the new collection that KMYNX just came out with is called the Paradise Collection. So my favorite lashes from them are the SA684, the Samoa lashes. I also really like the Tonga lashes. Those ones are great. If you guys are ever interested in KMYNX, you guys can use the code Nicolette to get some money off. I will put it on here on the screen, and it will be linked down below for you guys. Yeah, check, you guys, they're so affordable. So if you guys do use my code, I do make commission from it. You totally don't have to. They're already an affordable brand, so you don't have to use my code, but if you do, thank you so much. But yes, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited for this collection. Look at it. This is what the palette looks like, the Paradise Collection. Literally, you guys, look at those colors. Oh my goodness, look how pretty they are. Goodness. I don't think I'm gonna be playing with this today as much as I want to. I don't think I'm going to, but I do think tomorrow I'll play with it. And for tomorrow's Vlogmas, instead of doing a vlog, I'll just do a video with this. And these are the lashes. Now, I couldn't exactly tell you guys the names just because I'm actually unsure of the names. On the bottom of each, they just say John 316. So that's what the packaging looks like, obviously with the lashes. Again, I'm not entirely sure what the names are. Of course, like I said, the site will be linked down below for you guys with my coupon code in case you guys want to use that. But oh my gosh, look at these are so cute. Like, do you guys see that? Like, I love dramatic lashes like that. And then these are highlights. Yes, these are loose highlights. Okay, so I have one loose highlight, and it's from Artist Couture, and it's so freaking pretty. But at first I was like, I don't really think I like loose highlights, just because for one, I feel like they're sort of messy. However, I totally underestimated the pigment of loose highlights. So I'm so excited for this. I'll definitely show you guys the Artist Couture one, but this one is called Pearls of Paradise. We have Golden Hour, and then we have Coconut Delight. I think Golden Hour, ooh, I think I'm gonna like this one. Just because Golden Hour, you guys, when you get pics in Golden Hour, ooh, that shit is bomb. These are so freaking cute. This one looks more of like a pearly shade, Golden Hour. I'm not gonna swatch them today either, just because I am gonna be doing that in the video. So like I said, tomorrow's vlog will be a video of me using these products. I just want to give a quick little shout out to the KMYNX team. Like I said in the beginning, I love them. They're so fun to work with. They're so nice and genuine. I wanted to show these to you guys. I don't think I've ever shown these to you guys. This is in our hallway. This is right outside of my beauty room. I think you guys have seen that picture, but a friend of ours actually gave these to us. They PCS back to the States. and she actually gave this to us, so we just have these hanging there. She's so talented. Look at that. She's actually the one that made the sign outside of our door too. But look how pretty those are. Say hi.
Hi, my name is Yo-Yo.
Hi, Yo-Yo.
Hi.
Okay, so I want to show you guys our tree really quick. I don't know if you guys can see, but I do have the deco mesh ribbon on it. So it goes gold, red, and then on the other side is gold. Hold on, let me come over here. I think I'm gonna take that red down and put another gold mesh in the middle, and then I think I'll like it better. I don't think I like it with that red. However, the ornaments are all on there. I am gonna go and get the red Christmas flowers. I have no idea what they're called, but I'm gonna go get those, and then I'm just gonna put those in the tree. I want more to the tree, but I don't want any more ornaments. You know what I'm saying? And then yeah, that's what we're looking like. Oh, there. Hold on. Oh, too dark. There we go. Also, if you guys do not have this candle from Bath and Works, okay, Bath and Body Works, definitely go get it. It smells like freaking heaven. It's delicious. I love it. But I am going to grab something to eat right now. I don't even know if I'm gonna focus. I'm gonna grab something to eat right now. I'm starving, and I just folded the load of laundry that you guys see me take out of the dryer. Folded those guys. We're on a roll today. I'm really trying not to stop, because if I stop, I'm gonna get tired. I'm gonna take a nap. So I'm gonna eat first, and then that load in the wash should be done. This is literally an actual day in my life. Normally I would have taken the kids to the park by now, but like I told you guys, it's really cold out. So when Sai gets home, we're just gonna take them to the indoor playground. And then yeah, we're chilling like villains today.